Are you ready to unlock the secrets of smart credit card use? Credit cards can be powerful tools if managed wisely. Let's dive in. Many people struggle with credit card management. Understanding how to use them smartly can change your financial life. Whether you're a student, a woman, or an immigrant, there are strategies that can benefit you. Start by knowing your credit card terms. Look at interest rates, fees, and rewards. This will help you avoid unnecessary costs. Next, always pay your bill on time. Late payments can lead to fees and hurt your credit score. Now, let's talk about budgeting. Create a budget that includes your expected credit card spending. Stick to it. This will prevent overspending and debt accumulation. Consider using your card for specific purchases. For example, buy groceries or gas. This builds your credit score without going overboard. Always pay off your balance in full each month. This avoids high interest charges and keeps debt manageable. Before you swipe, ask yourself, can I afford this? Making conscious spending choices is crucial. Impulse buying can lead to regret. Let's look at a real-life scenario. Imagine you're a student living on a budget. You need textbooks, but they cost a lot. Using a credit card smartly can allow you to purchase them while building credit. Just remember to pay it off quickly. Finding a rewards program that suits your lifestyle is key. Some cards offer cash back on groceries. Others may reward travel spending. Choose one that benefits your needs. Take advantage of educational resources offered by credit providers. Many of them offer tools to help you learn about managing credit. This knowledge empowers you. Let's summarize these points: understand your terms, pay on time, and create a budget. Make conscious spending choices, and utilize rewards programs wisely. Ready to take control of your financial future? Start using your credit card smartly today. Your journey to better financial health begins now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.